Hey everyone, welcome back. Here is a recipe for spicy chicken roast. It's very simple to make with easily available ingredients but extremely delicious, and I hope you will find this recipe useful. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients you will need to make this recipe. To make chicken roast, we need to blend these ingredients. If you have these ingredients in powder form, you can directly add it to the chicken. Blend these ingredients coarsely without adding water. This is 1 kilo chicken. To this I am adding coarsely ground onion mixture, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala powder, half a tablespoon of chicken 65 masala. This is optional. This will give a nice flavor and taste to the chicken. 1 tablespoon of salt. Give it a good mix for a minute or two so that the salt and spice will get into the chicken well. Cover and leave it for at least half an hour to 45 minutes. Chicken has been marinating for 45 minutes. Just give a quick mix. Use a wide pan to make this dish. It will be easy for you to roast the chicken. I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the marinated chicken. Fry the chicken on a medium heat until it's nice and tender. Cover and cook the chicken on a medium heat for about 12 to 15 minutes. Do not add water. Chicken will ooze out some moisture. That will be good enough to cook this dish. Every now and then open the lid and give a quick stir. If you leave it unnoticed, it might get burnt. When you make roast, always use iron or non-stick pan. It will be easy for you to fry and also it prevents burning. Chicken is pretty much done. You can serve it straight away. I want my chicken to be little more dry, so I'm leaving it for 5 more minutes. This chicken roast will pair well with almost everything. Do give this a try and share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you all like this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.